This is a quick start guide for the physical setup of your DW COVA Cloud NVR. Before you begin, please make sure you have the following items. Step 1. Place the unit in an area that is dry, dust-free, and has sufficient ventilation. Step 2. Plug the power cable into the back side of the unit. Step 3. Plug the cables for your cameras into the numbered Ethernet ports for each channel. Step 4. Plug in the Ethernet cable for your internet connection into the LAN port. Note: the DW COVA is a headless unit and does not require a display. However, you can connect a monitor using a true HD cable if needed. Step 5. Plug the power cable into a power outlet. Step 6. Flip the power switch to turn on the unit. To continue on to the final steps of your COVA setup, you'll need to have your smartphone and a MyDW account. We have a video tutorial that can help you with this. You can access it from our YouTube channel, from MyDW, or by visiting digital-watchdog.com. This concludes the physical setup for your DW COVA. For more information, visit digital-watchdog.com.